This is a quick 2-minute clip of me making rocket launchers for my kayak. If you have flush mounted rod holders like the store-bought ones, you're probably going to have to use 1.25" PVC. Right here I'm using 1.5". I'm only heating the bottom 4 inches of the PVC, and every once in a while I'll heat the inside just to soften it all up. What I also do is, as I'm heating it, I'll give it a tap on the kayak, and if it makes a soft thud, it's ready. If it makes a loud, like, plastic click, then it still needs a little bit more heating. Here it comes, right here. See, I tapped it and it gave me a soft thud, so I'll be turning off the heat gun and shoving it in the hole. When you shove it in, go in at an angle and twist it as you're going in, and it'll go right in. So right here I'm tilting it up. From at this angle it looks like it's still tilted back, but right there it's actually pointing straight up in the air. And the purpose of this, you'll see here in a second, is there's cooling everything off so it stays where I put it. So it's going to have 3 positions. Yeah, see, there's a little bend in there, so I'm putting it back in, and then I'm going to show you the 3 positions. So that's out to the right a little bit, then you turn it again, and right here it's pointing back. And then when you turn it back, what I do is I put the bend in it on the side where the writing is on the PVC, so I know which side is forward. And there you have it. And just to be safe, I'm gonna cool the kayak off, because PVC was pretty hot and I don't want it deforming the actual rod holder. I'm all done. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.